What's up, peeps? How you doing, eh? How you doing? It's February 22nd, 2019, huh? And this is the snow aftermath for the town of Big Bear, son. Well, here we go. Let's take it a drive, huh? And I cannot stand this stupid GPS system I have here, because when the phone rings, it says, "How can I help you?" Like I'm saying something.
Subscribe now.
Anyway, it is February 22nd, 2019, 26 degrees, 10:54 in the AM skis, guys. So what we are going to check out, guys, just how gorgeous the town is. It is clear as a bell. I can see for miles and miles. Guys, it is just spectacular, man. Oh, yes. Yes. So, what we've got going here. Oh, hang on a sec, guys. Let me just get that piece of ice. Thank you. That piece of ice had to go, and I was going to be the one to send it. All right. So, this is the most snow we've had in 2 seasons, guys. Last season, we didn't get anything like this. And yeah, so this is pretty exciting. Someone told me through a comment, and they seemed pretty certain about it, that Big Bear hit a record for February. It had over 80 inches of snow. At my house, we maybe had 25 inches or 30 maybe for the whole month, but I know just another 1,500 feet higher up in elevation, that actually could have happened. So that's super, super cool. We have some people on my channel, on our channel, who are debating that, but I don't know what's up for if it's a lot less or if it came close, but I don't think someone would just make that statement for nothing, guys. So this is Stanfield Cutoff. That's the lake, you guys. That whole white area down below the mountain, that's the lake. And then this side's over towards Baldwin, and that's kind of a lake also right now. It's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love you all so much. This is so unbelievably gorgeous. But yeah, so, oh my God, it's so beautiful. I'm so in heaven right now. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the regular tour around the lake for the complete tour. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the snow aftermath in Big Bear Lake, California, guys. February 22nd, 2019, temperature's 25 degrees. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, the lake's looking so gorgeous over there. This looks spectacular. If I had some socks on, we'd be good, but I don't have any socks on. I'm wearing shorts like a schmuck. I want to walk out on the lake, but not on the lake, but you know what I mean, out on the beach. Okay, that is incredibly beautiful, but my hand is incredibly frozen. And now we're gonna pass this guy in just a minute here because he's just lagging up the Lagastuskis. Lagging the Lucas. Alright, so we're gonna put the phone on its rack for a moment.
United States.
Voice command, shut the front door, bro! Sorry about that, guys. That guy is almost as irritating as me. Save you guys the trouble for talking shit, and I'll talk shit ahead of you, huh? How about that one, huh? Look at this guy. What a Bonsky. Just a Bonnie. Oh, wow. Look at him in the... Is that a Florida plate? Oh, cool. Oh, cool. I haven't been to Florida in a few years. Last time I was in Florida was actually for my Panama Canal cruise. We had to be in Fort Lauderdale for the cruise, but I love Florida. For 6 years straight, my dad, he would invite me out to his timeshare twice a year for 2 weeks at a time in Kissimmee, and we would he'd buy the 5-day park hopper passes all the time, and we would just have a great time. And then we would golf at all the great golf courses out there, like the Disney course, just all of them, and it was just amazing. I love that man to death. I love all of you to death, and yeah, I'm loving this weather. I'm just full of love today. I'm full of love today. All right. So guys, this is just fantastic, huh? It's fantastic. Wow. Wow. Look loud. Alright, I'll shut up so it can stay beautiful. It almost sounds like a flat tire. Wouldn't that be just marvelous? Entering Fawnskin, guys. Population 380. Oh shit. Did you guys see that, man? Holy crap. That CHP guy was hauling, almost hit me. He almost hit me. Guys, imagine that, man. What a payday that would be for me, even though I would never sue the police department for an accident like that. That'd be like so weak. These people are out protecting us and dealing with people trying to start race wars because of their political biases. It's unbelievable. Jesse Smollett, hopefully someone cuts your head off in jail, brother, because that's where you're gonna go and you deserve it. Piece of shit little bitch. All right, sorry about that. Anyway, moving on. Moving on. I just hate people trying to make light of fake issues. Like, I don't see any racism falling from the trees. I've never seen it in my whole life. But hey, then again, unfortunately, it's what the media wants. Is they want to see racism all over this country, because then they can take the left can take power and pretend like they care until they have full power, and they're the ones who are the most racist. So it's very funny how crazy the projection is. Like it's, yeah, it's the weirdest thing. But anyway, that's enough politics for me right now. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I love my country and I love you guys, man. And I don't want anybody arguing or fighting over nothing. Like, if there's gonna be arguments and debates about stuff, at least make it over real issues, not just you know, thrown together frauds, fake issues. I mean, yeah, oh my god, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up about that stuff because I could go on all day about how fucking, oh my gosh, there's my language, about how freaking moronic this country is. But yeah. Oh wait, I must be racist. Oh god, your guys' time is coming, and it's coming fast. It's coming fast. You guys are playing with the blood, and it's gonna be all over you. Anyway, that's it for that. We're in Fawnskin, folks. Woohoo! Woohoo!